Hello everyone! Привіт! Вітаю вас на моєму каналі. Today we are diving into the enchanting world of Ukrainian fables, and in particular, one that resonates deeply with many of us. The tale of the Nightingale. Як Соловейко чоловіка розуму навчив. You may already learned this word Соловейко from my previous video. If you don't, then check this video also. Fables are much more than stories. They're woven into the fabric of our culture, each carrying valuable lessons that transcend generations. The Nightingale's tale not only celebrates the beauty of nature, but also serves as the poignant reminder of what truly matters in life. Have you ever found yourself caught up in a hustle and bustle, chasing after the shiny things in life, only to realize that what truly sings to your heart comes from within? Well, let's read this tale and analyze Ukrainian words which we will find there. Один чоловік піймав соловейка і хотів його з'їсти. Але птах каже до нього: «Ні, ти мною не наїсися, чоловіче. Краще відпусти мене, і я тебе навчу 3 речей, які тобі у великій нагоді стануть». Той чоловік зрадів і пообіцяв відпустити, якщо соловейко розповість. І каже соловейко: «Ніколи не їж того, що не годиться. Ніколи того не шкодуй, чого вже не можна повернути. Ніколи словам неправдивим не вір». Почувши це, чоловік відпустив соловейка. А соловейко хотів довідатись, чи навчився той чоловік його порадам. Полетів угору і каже до нього: «О, зле зробив, що мене відпустив. Якби ти знав, який скарб я у собі маю, ніколи не відпустив би мене. Бо в мене є коштовна і велика перлина. Якби ти її дістав, зараз би багачем став». Почувши це, чоловік дуже засмутився, підскочив угору до соловейка і просив, щоб він повернувся до нього. Тоді соловейко каже: «Тепер я знаю, що ти дурний чоловік. Все, чого я тебе навчив, було марно. І шкодуєш ти за тим, чого вже не можна повернути. І неправдивим словам ти повірив. Дивися, який я маленький. Де ж у мені може вміститися велика перлина?» Та й полетів собі соловейко. So, what interesting Ukrainian words have you heard in this fable for the first time? Write down in the comments. And now let's analyze several literary techniques in this poem. We can see here the dialogue between Nightingale and Чоловік. In Ukrainian language, dialogue quotation marks are used to denote speech. The verbs that introduce speech, like сказав, are typically in the past tense and can be placed before or after the quoted speech. Also, Соловейко emphasizes the lessons it teaches the man by stating them clearly. «Ніколи не їж того, що не годиться». And this repetition can straighten a message or moral in literature, and is often used in fables and proverbs to ensure the reader remembers the key points. Metaphor. The nightingale itself can be seen as a metaphor for wisdom or knowledge. It teaches the man valuable life lessons, symbolizing the idea that true wealth comes from wisdom rather than material possessions. Yeah? Also, you may notice the imperative mood. The use of imperative mood is prevalent, especially in the lessons the Nightingale teaches. Ніколи не шкодуй. Never regret. The imperative is used to give commands or advice. In Ukrainian, it often takes the root form of the verb. This is a direct way of guiding someone, which is typical in instructional literature. Also in this proverb you may see this phrase "велика перлина," a great pearl. Imagery in literature uses descriptive language to create visual representations of ideas or themes, allowing readers to connect emotionally with the text. And when you read this "велика перлина," you may imagine this. Велика, bigger than the nightingale. Also, there is a contrast between the man's initial desire to eat the nightingale and the valuable wisdom it offers. The man feels regret when he realizes he let it go. And entire story is constructed around a moral lesson, which is typical in fables, yeah? The nightingale's teachings provide ethical guidance on food, regret, and trust. And now let's talk a bit about sentence construction insights. Ukrainian language often uses a flexible word order due to its case system. The subject, object, verb structure can be rearranged for emphasis or stylistic reasons. For example, чоловік спіймав соловейка. The man caught the nightingale. It can also be written emphasizing the object. Соловейка спіймав чоловік. And as I said earlier, cases modify nouns and pronouns to denote their role in the sentence. And this allows for greater flexibility in sentence structure, as the relationship between words is indicated by their endings rather than their position in the sentence. And you may check my videos about Ukrainian cases also. So, these literary techniques and structural features together create a rich tapestry in Ukrainian storytelling. Understanding these elements helps grasp not only the meaning of the text, but also its cultural and ethical implications. Each technique contributes to the depth and engagement of the narrative, encouraging you to reflect on the moral lessons within. I hope you enjoyed discovering the deeper meanings behind this beautiful Ukrainian fable as much as I did. If you are inspired by the Nightingale's story and love its message, I invite you to visit my online store. There you can find some beautiful Nightingale's designs that you can wear, and every purchase helps to support this channel. Also consider joining my Patreon. There you will find exclusive content, behind the scenes, and other perks just for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Nightingale's tale, so drop a comment below. See you soon. Скоро побачимось.